In order to publish the web API to Microsoft Azure, we need few more things. We need to create MS SQL database inside the Microsoft Azure. So let's start with the Azure SQL database. Just click on SQL databases, tap the add option to add the SQL database. Just choose the same resource group that we have created in the Azure web application. Give some user-friendly name to your database. Then we need to create our server in which we will add our database. So let's click this, create a new server where we will put our database. Now just give a name to the server. Then add the server admin login name and password. We will need this admin login name and password when we try to access the Azure SQL database. Also, choose the nearest location where you want to put your server. You can choose the nearest location as per your choice. Just tap this Review plus Create option. And this will create a database inside the Microsoft Azure. Be patient because this will take up to 5 minutes. Now once the deployment is complete, then you will see this message. Just open the notification and just tap on the pin to dashboard so that it will pin our database to the dashboard, and next time it will be easy for us to open our database from the dashboard. Now just open your database. Now once you open the database, then you will see the following kind of interface. You need to set the server firewall, because if we don't set the server firewall, then our Azure SQL database will not access the Azure web application. By default, the Allow Azure Services options is off. So we need to turn it on. Once we turn on the Allow Azure Services, then just save the changes. Soon we will get a message which says that our server firewall rules are updated. Just press OK. So far, we have created the Azure web application and Azure database. Now we're going to publish our web API to Azure. So stay with me because I will be right back in the next lesson.